Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can stop letters from showing while typing on your Android phone. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So if you randomly simply open your keyboard just like this, here you can see while I type down, the pop-up of your letters will show and it is quite annoying. So in order to remove that pop-up, what we're going to do is go to the settings of your keyboard, for which you can manually go to the settings and go to your keyboard settings. But if you open your keyboard like this, you can even go to the settings of your keyboard from here, right here. And if you also long press on the comma option that you can see right here, just like this, here you can see if I release the button just like this, we'll get to the settings of your keyboard. And from the settings of your keyboard, now what we're going to do is simply click on the preference option right here. And after clicking on preference, now we're going to scroll down. And here you can see the option of pop-up on key press. It is currently enabled, so we're going to tap on it just like this and disable this option. So after you've done that, you can go back to your keyboard. And now here you can see you won't get that pop-up anymore. Here you can see now it's not showing anymore and it won't annoy you. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can stop your letters from showing on your Android device while typing. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.